welcome back to my channel, Ria Jose, and this is Diyosa Life TV. Today we have a Technomaria unboxing. It's very exciting because as of today, November 5, it has not been launched yet in the Philippines, but it's going to be launched in a few days. So if you want to see the unboxing and my first impressions of the Realme 11, keep on watching. I haven't had tech unboxing in a while. The last Realme smartphone that I unboxed on this channel was the Realme 10. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Ang arte. It's the Realme 11. It has not been opened yet. Specs are there. Before we open the box, I'd like to share with you some of the most important features of this phone. It has a Helio G99 gaming chipset, which is very good for me because I play Mobile Legends. And then it has a 108MP Pro Light camera, similar to the Realme 10 Pro Plus that I'm currently using as my second camera. You obviously can't see it in the frame, but it's the one that I'm using here. It has a 90Hz Super AMOLED display. Plus, most important of all, and I always emphasize this, I feel like a smartphone or a device is kinda a hassle unless it has a good battery life, and is capable of fast charging. It has a 5000 mAh battery. It has a 67 watt Super VOOC charging system, which is real good for us. And I'm super excited because yung 10 Pro Plus ko, although I love it so much, the color that I got was, I think, Dark Space yung pangalan niya. This one, I'm not gonna tell you yet the color because I want you guys to be surprised, but it has a striking color. This unit that I have, it's 8GB, 256GB. 8GB RAM and 256GB ROM. It will be available in two different colors. Let's open this. I know very little about this. If you want to know more about this unit, make sure to tune in to the launch, which is on November 9. That's a Thursday. Tune in to the Realme PH Facebook page. The launch will begin at 4 p.m. Aside from the Realme 11, there will be other Realme products that will be launched. Right after that launch, there will be TikTok selling on the page of James Afante. The link will be down below. During the launch, the rest of the specs, the important features of the Realme 11 will be announced, along with the pricing and the availability. Let's stay tuned for that. Let's open this. There's the Dare to Leap message. I don't know what's inside, but this package, pa natin to. I've seen photos of this online from yung sa other countries na meron ng Realme 11. But in the Philippines, I haven't seen pa. Ito yung kanyang clear case, crystal case, which I appreciate very much. And then, SIM tray ejector pin. Don't know yet kung ilan ba yung pwedeng ipasok na SIM card. So, malalaman natin yan soon. You have the quick guide over here and the safety guide over here. And before I reveal to you the phone and the color is super exciting. Let's see what else is in the box. Inside the box, you have the charging head, Super VOOC. I don't know if you can see that. Super VOOC, flat yung pins niya, which I appreciate. Kasi minsan super hassle, kailangan mo pa ng adapter. Medyo bulky lang siya, but it's not that heavy. You also have the charging and data transfer cable. This is USB-C. Hindi ko na siya tatanggal dyan. Okay, but it's USB-C. And this is the phone. I guess you can already see a little bit of the color. The name of this color option is Glory Gold. It's also available in Dark Glory. So based on the colors pa lang, you can feel like this is crafted and designed for gaming and gamers. It already has a screen protector. And that's the gorgeous Glory Gold color. Feeling ko makakamitik na ako dahil sa phone ito. This is, I believe, the LED flash, the volume rockers, the power button, the SIM tray, then USB port, USB-C. Is this an audio jack? I guess this is an audio jack. I'm happy about that if it is indeed an audio jack. This is only 7.95mm, ultra slim, very sleek. This is the Glory Gold color option. This feels elegant, super nice. Super happy about the color. It's so gorgeous. We will know more about this during the launch. This is the Realme 11 with a Helio G99 gaming chipset, a 108 Pro Light camera, 90Hz Super AMOLED display, and a 5000 mAh battery with a Super VOOC charge system. This is the Glory Gold color option. Another color option is the Dark Glory. If you want to know the price, more of the specs and other details about the Realme 11 and other Realme products that will be available in the Philippine market soon, watch the Realme 11 Philippine launch on November 9, that's Thursday, starting 4 p.m. on the Realme Facebook page. And right after the launch, there will be live selling on the TikTok page of James Afante. Make sure that you're tuning into the right page. The link will be down below. All those information and more details, my review, test shots, and other stuff, maybe a test vlog using this phone. These will be available not only here on my YouTube channel, but also on my vlogs, Technomaria.com and DiyosaLife.com. And of course, I will be also sharing more tidbits and some test shots, test videos on my social media platforms. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook. So I have 2 Facebook pages, on TikTok, on Twitter, on Instagram, and on Threads. Thank you very much for watching this quick unboxing and first impressions video of the Realme 11. This will be available in the Philippines soon. Don't forget to share this with your friends. Leave a comment down below if there's something specific that you want me to try out on this phone. I'm going to play a lot of Mobile Legends here, but if you want to suggest other games that I should try on this gadget, let me know in the comment section below if there are apps that you want me to try using this gadget. Maraming pong salamat. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you spending your time with me. Daghang salamat. Bye everyone. Good luck and have fun to all the gamers out there.